Good morning, students. Today we are going to deal with another topic of consumer behavior. That is difference between consumer and customer. So basically, this is the basic question always comes. What is the difference between consumer and customers? Let's see what is the exact meaning of consumer and customer. So who is a consumer? So obviously, consumer is a broad term which is used for individuals who use products and services that are generated in the economy. So basically, the consumer is called the end user of the product or services. And these people, or you can say consumer, are the one who consume the product or services and they have bought or were bought for them. So consumer need not to be the actual buyer. Someone will buy for him, but he will be the end user of the product and services. So they use these products based on what they have heard or seen and apply all the information when deciding whether they need the product or not. So this is the consumer behavior process to decide the product, and they will see the information, search the information, find the alternatives, and whether to purchase it or not to purchase it, and they decide on the basis of their need. Now moving towards who is customer. So this term came from custom, meaning the habit. So these people are organizations, who may be individuals who frequently visit your store. They purchase from you and no one else. So they are the people who comes to stores, or you can say online store, or you can say brick and mortar stores. They come and they purchase from the seller. And here, most important part is always a storekeeper or a owner or a business or organization look for satisfaction of customer to develop the relationship. So that matters a lot when customer is visiting the store. And here what happens is customer might be consumer. Okay, might be or may not be, but consumer is the end user of the product. Okay, for example, you want to purchase something. For example, you require a toothpaste. So in your family, father will be the deciding person, and he will go to stores and he will purchase the a toothpaste for you. So father will become the customer and you will become the consumer because you are the end user. So here customer will be your father and end user will be you. In other case, if the toothpaste is used by the father itself, who is purchasing the product, so he will become customer also, or he or she will become customer also, or he or she will become consumer also because they are the end users. So owner and customer maintain the relationship that matters a lot, okay, to run the business, which means expected buys in the future. Obviously, customer relationship management plays an important role in the satisfaction of the customer for long run of business. With this term, another slogan for customer was revealed that the customer is always right. Because to maintain the customer relationship, you have to educate him and you have to train him. And this is why the actual we say the customer is always right. Let's see some differences between what is customer, or who is a customer, or who is a consumer. Now, consumer either buy or does not buy the products that I already told you, explained you, that they necessarily use, while the customers are people who buy goods and services but may not use the merchandise themselves. So customer may be consumer, or they might become the retailer also, they might become a merchandise also. So that happens. But consumer is the end user of the product. Consumers have goals and purpose while buying items, and while customers buy these products and may not use them personally, they either buy them to resell or buy for those who want them. So obviously when consumer is going to purchase some product, he has a particular goal with him. I want this type of product to satisfy the need. But when it comes to come to customers, Either he is purchasing for someone who want it, or he is purchasing for reselling it. He might be, that is already told, he might be end user, but he might not be the end user. Next, consumer pertain mostly to an individual or family, while customers can be an individual, organization, or another sellers. So this is basic difference. Individual or family who uses, they will become consumers. Or customer can be individual who is purchasing goods for others. Big organization purchase it for the reselling, or another person use it for the selling to others. Coming to the last one, consumers play a role in the demand of product in the economy, while customers can simply decide if this will go or not. So obviously you can say end users are most important person for the economical contribution, because they will generate the income and they purchase. So obviously sales increases. So they decide the economy. But when it comes to customer, they can say whether this product will go or not go. So that only remains there. Okay. Now moving further, we will have something differences. The left side is customer and the right side is consumer. By looking at the definition, we can see that customer is the one who is purchasing the goods, one who purchases. But when it comes to consumer, he will be the end user of the product. Now coming to ability to sell, resell. So customer can purchase the good and is able to resell it. We have already seen this difference. But consumer is unable to resell any product or services because he is the end user of the product. Now need for purchase. Customers need to purchase a product or service in order to resell it, or you can say in order to use it. Okay. But when it comes to this consumer side, for a consumer, purchasing a product or service is not essential. But here purchasing is essential, or in consumer side, someone might purchase for him or he himself can purchase. Motive of buying. So basically customers' motive of buying will be either to resell or for consumption. But when it comes to consumer, the motive is obviously for the consumption only, not for resale. Payment necessary, if you see, must be paid by customer. Here consumer may or may not be paid by consumer, because might sometimes someone is purchasing product or services for consumer. Now looking at target group, individual or company can be the customer, but here individual, family, or group will become the target group. So these are the basic difference between customer and consumer. So at the end, as a conclusion, we can say consumers and customers are very important people in maintaining the balance and profit of one's company. So both plays important role, but we have to look at the consumer, the end users requirement, and we have to take the feedback from the customers to new product development, or you can say customization of product, the actual need of the customer, actual want of the customer, what they desire. To check this all, we have to maintain important relationship with the customer and consumer, and they have their own functions, but the thought of the two are almost the same. Okay, so with this we will end today's topic. Thank you.